Right now, I'm completely messed up. It's so hard telling what you feel in front of anybody. Anytime. Especially on this rough day. Well, anyway, who's voting this year or next year? Nobody good. I wouldn't vote Barack Obama, no. Just because he black doesn't mean he's gonna be good. And you know, that one girl,
I want to make it her president.
It'll be quite sexist that you choose Hillary Clinton. It's called reverse sexism when you pick the underdog just because it's an underdog. I'm gonna tell you something, Hillary Clinton is bad business because years ago, someone sucked Helen's cock. Her husband loved this fucking country. I think she wants to fuck it all up. Just an opinion, not something, not a joke. I really believe it, sadly. And I'm no sexist, I'm part female, so I don't believe in sex. I don't believe male on female, I think. It's a little fucked up. There's WMAC, girls jiu-jitsu-ing, big guys' asses. Girls can do just as good as boys, and boys hardly do as good as girls. I always see their fighting techniques. They really suck at it. Guys do like this, right? Like you're supposed to like put your leg up like this and put your leg back before you do a front kick, but that's just fucking me. This one's called relax. Oh, fuck, we just played that. I'm fucking tired.
Work.
This one's called You're an Animal.
You are an animal.
Huh? You watch it? Yeah, it's slow.